This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cake boxes, specifically these Ingenero cake boxes that have this beautiful, lovely domed shape and really aesthetically pleasing. So if you're looking for something to step up your takeout game for a bakery or cafe, these are a nice option. They come folded in half, flat packed, and they can take a little bit of a trick to get folded upright and efficiently, so we're just going to show you how to do one here. We have one of the small sizes, and when you open them up, you just want to take each of those petals and fold it towards the center. When you get to the two that have the handle on them, make sure you're folding that inward and then folding the handle back out. That means that you can take both of those sides, line that handle up. I like to give it just a little squish down, and then it's easy enough to pull one of those sides over the top. It'll kind of lock into place, and it gives you a nice little opening, kind of a little Muppet mouth action there that you can slide your goodies into, whether that's a cake, a small tart, some pastries, or a prepped meal. It's easy then to just fold that last handle over, lock it into place, and you have a nice secure little carrying box there for whatever is inside. So you can see they have a beautiful kind of domed shape to them, nice headroom, and they're stylish and sleek and come with their own built-in handles, which is fantastic. So we have 3 sizes. The small is approximately 6.5 inches square on the bottom, and you can see they kind of blouse out a little out past the edges, and it's actually got about 6.5 inches of headroom on top. The medium is 7 3/4 inch square and has about 5 inches of headroom. And then the large, it is approximately 9 inches square and has about 4 3/4 of headroom on top. So these are a really great option in terms of the sizes available for larger cakes, tarts, and pastries, or even bigger to-go meals. And you also have some good options color-wise. There is the craft, black, and white, giving you lots of choices, whether you're running a bakery, a cafe, a pastry shop, or a restaurant. It's just a great way to pack up a nice lunch or take home some takeout or a nice little cake or pastry.